your vacuum isn't keeping a charge and it's dying way too early, then you need to replace the battery pack on your vacuum. What's going on, guys? My name's Matt. I'm just a dude.
And my name's Boober, and today we're going to show you how to fix a battery on our vacuum.
Now, this was a very easy project, but before we could replace the battery, we had to order the right battery. To figure this out, we looked underneath the Dyson vacuum cleaner, and there's a sticker on the bottom of the battery. The model we had was SV04. It's written up on the top of the battery. There are a lot of different Dyson models, and you have to figure out what model you have so you can order the right battery, because there's at least 2 different styles of batteries to order, so you want to make sure you get the right one. Now, this also tells you that this battery is 21.6 volts and 16.2 amps, which down here it also says 2100 milliamps. The new battery we ordered is 21.6 volts and 3 amp hours or 3000 milliamp hours. So this battery should run a little bit longer than the original Dyson battery. Now, if you don't want to go through all that, all you have to do is figure out what model you have, and the links for the batteries corresponding to the model numbers are in the description below. Once you get the right battery, very easy to put it together. All you need is a small Phillips screwdriver to take out the old screws. There's only 2 screws which hold this battery into the housing. But to get to the battery, you have to first take the canister off. Hit the red button once to release the bottom of the canister and twice to release the top of the canister, and then it's able to be tilted out and removed from the housing. Once you have the canister off, there's 2 screws which need to be removed. And you just unscrew this one and then unscrew that one. Make sure you keep them because sometimes the batteries you order don't have new screws in them. We were very lucky with the battery we ordered because not only did it come with a battery, but it came with 2 new screws and a screwdriver. Now, it wasn't the best screwdriver, but if you don't have one, it'll definitely get the job done. So once you get the old battery out, you just slide in the new battery, add the 2 screws, and then put the canister back on. You also have to charge the battery to get it up to full capacity before using it. So just know that you can't put the battery in and just go right to work. So we charged it, and then the blue light on the new battery lit up when we put the Dyson vacuum into the charger. We let it charge for a little bit until the blue light turned itself off, which shows that the battery pack is charged completely. And then we used the vacuum, and it worked out really good. Very easy project, and if you want to save yourself a couple $100 and just replace the battery instead of buying a brand new Dyson, it's very simple and easy to do. Hope this video helps you out. If you could like and subscribe, it would definitely help out the channel. My name's Matt. I'm just a dude.
And my name's Boober. And if we can't fix it, we'll fix it so nobody else can.
Thanks for watching.